SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to screen record on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you're trying to figure out how to screen record on iPhone, then the first thing that you need to do is add a button to the control center. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Control Center option, and then you can scroll down through the More Control section until you find the screen recording option listed there. Now you just need to tap the green plus button to the left of that, and now you can scroll back up and you'll see that it's in the Included Controls section. So now if you want to start the screen recording, you can swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, which opens the control center, and then you're going to look for this button that looks like a circle inside of another circle. Once you tap that button, it's going to start a 3-second countdown, and once that countdown expires, then the screen recording is going to start, which you can tell by the red oval around the clock. If you have an iPhone that has a dynamic island, then there's going to be a little indication that the screen recording is active inside of that dynamic island. Once you're finished recording whatever you want to record on your screen, then you can tap the red button around the clock, and then you can choose the stop button to end the screen recording, and then you're going to see a little alert slide down from the top of the screen to let you know that the screen recording video has been saved to the Photos app. Now what you'll find when you do this is that the screen recording is not going to have audio, so if you would like to include audio in your screen recording, then we're going to go back to the control center, and this time rather than just tapping the screen recording button, you're going to tap and hold on it. That's going to bring up this menu, and now if you tap the microphone button, that's going to switch to microphone on, which means that you're going to hear audio now on your screen recording video. So you can either go back to the control center and tap the screen recording button to start it there, or you can tap the start recording button from this menu, and then that's also going to start the countdown, and then you'll be able to go back and stop the screen recording whenever you're done.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.